Hi John, this is Alan next door. Buddy, I am really sorry for this, but I need to admit something to you. The fact is I've been enjoying your wife day and night during your absence. Actually, maybe even more than you. I have not been getting it at home as of late, but the fact is, I cheated on you just because it was too hard to resist. I am unable to carry this feeling of guilt anymore, and I certainly hope you will accept my sincere apologies and forgive me. I swear it won't ever happen again. Please set the price for the usage and I'll pay it to you. Regards, Alan. When John saw this note lying on the bench, he felt both insulted and betrayed. He picked up his gun, ran to his neighbor's house, and killed Alan beside him. He came back to the house and drank his own drink while sitting down on the sofa. He took his phone again and he noticed that he had received another message from his neighbor who is now a former neighbor. Hi John, apologize for the tiny typo mistake on my last text. You might have already figured it out. But as you rightly have, I found out that my smartphone's autocorrect feature established the word Wi-Fi to wife.